intelligence, and connectivity constantly promote the change of this era, making the intelligent traffic become possible. Yutong Telematics Research and Development Department has provided customers with fleet management systems and operational solutions since 2011. The solutions in terms of safety, maintenance, and scheduling can be tailored according to the various needs of different customers to create greater value for you and make more and more personalized services become possible. During the past 7 years, Yutong was dedicated to the research of telematics technologies and focused on the whole life cycle of buses and the whole business process management. The services we provided have changed from a single management tool to comprehensive solutions. Based on one single platform, the data interaction of all aspects of commercial vehicle ecology chain can be achieved, including vehicle terminal, software, driver behavior, and intelligent operation of a whole city, making data become alive and smart. Based on the real needs of each customer, the intelligent and connected solutions continuously enhance the operational ability and transform the traditional operation mode into a more efficient, controllable, safer, and lower cost one. Focusing on the present and looking ahead to the future, we are committed to changing and creating so as to make more impossible become possible.